Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how ImportError cannot import name function underscore name. The ImportError cannot import name function underscore name error occurs when you try to import a function or module that is not available or cannot be found in the current scope. Here is an example scenario that might cause this error. Suppose you have a Python file named file1.py that contains the following function. And then you have another Python file named file2.py that tries to import @_numbers from file1.py. When you run this code, you will get this kind of error. If you run file2.py, you will get the following error: ImportError cannot import name @_numbers from file1. This error occurs because @_numbers is not available in the file1 module. To fix this error, you can check the following. Make sure the function or module you are trying to import is available in the correct file and is spelled correctly. Check if there are circular imports or dependencies that might be causing the error. Check if there are any syntax errors or missing dependencies that might be preventing the module or function from being imported.
Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos, which can help and assist you further.